Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. The world's most expensive matter is antimatter. 1 gram is equal to $100 trillion. Korean women slap themselves about 30 times a day. Hotel room with no walls let you sleep in the Swiss mountains. The probability of getting double yolk egg in 1,000. Massive respect for people who still remember this house. If you drank 42 cups of coffee in one sitting, the caffeine overdose would kill you. North Korea is the world's only nation to currently have a US Navy ship captured. On Valentine's Day in South Korea, only women give gifts, not men. Nokia was originally founded in 1865 as a paper printing company. Turtle can breathe through their butts. A moonbow is a rainbow that happens at night. Jack Daniel's last words were "one last drink, please." Sunsets on Mars are blue. There is a town in California that is named Cool. The US has more millionaires than Sweden has people. Your dog knows when you are upset and often tries to cheer you up by making hugs. Play video games can reduce your nightmares. Almost 14% of Google employees have never attended college. Hong Kong has more Rolls-Royce cars per capita than any other city in the world. Subway makes enough sandwiches in a year to wrap around the earth 14 times. Wine is cheaper than bottled water in Australia. On an average, the human tongue has 2,000 to 8,000 taste buds. If you want to buy a car in Japan, you must first prove that you have somewhere to park it. Almost 92% of the world's currency is digital. India discovers new plant species in Antarctica. The majority of Americans choose dogs over love. In Singapore, the chewing gum is banned since 1992.
Every time we say goodbye, they all
The
say
first Star Wars was expected to be a flop.
'cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000
The longer you are single, the more you think that something's wrong with you.
'cause you never show
Most people break up on Mondays.
That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning
38% of American men say they love their cars more than women. During the Victorian era, special cups were made to keep your mustache out of your tea. The Wolverine mask is basically Batman kissing Batman in front of Iron Man.
Can't be waiting for you in the morning.
Darius, the biggest rabbit in the entire world.
Giving up, but every time we say goodbye,
In Samoa, it's illegal to forget your wife's birthday.
now I'm all alone. 'Cause you never show. You say you
Puppies are born with the genetic ability to understand humans. Quitting smoking is good for your mental health too.
I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
When two lovers gaze at each other's eyes, their heart rates synchronize. Before trees existed, Earth was covered with giant white mushroom.
Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning.
This is an aqueduct in Netherlands. It is a bridge for animals to safely cross the road. Japan uses Daisugi technique to grow lumber without using a ton of land in the process. A man planted 7,000 trees to make a guitar-shaped forest as a tribute to his wife. Russians drank so much vodka celebrating the end of World War II that Moscow briefly ran out of vodka. A 12-year-old girl was arrested, handcuffed and detained at a police precinct for several hours for dawdling on her desk in class. These cars built for training race horses. In 2016, scientists detected a radio signal from source 5 billion light years away. Julia Roberts has secured her iconic dazzling smile for $30 million.
It's all about humanity.
Elon Musk has found aliens. There is a building in London that reflects the sun so perfectly it literally melts cars. Thanks for watching.